Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to blur the background picture in PowerPoint. First, go to PowerPoint and click on blank presentation to create a new presentation, or you can open an existing one. Now let's remove this. Then right-click on the background and select Format Background from the drop-down menu. Then select Picture or Texture Fill. And here, click on Insert Picture from select File to insert a picture from your computer, or select Online to insert an online picture. I'll just go ahead and select an online picture. Let's select this one, for example. Just click on it and click on Insert. Now go to the Effects and click on this icon and the Artistic Effects and look for the blur effect. Here it is. Then click on it. Now you can change the radius by dragging the slider, or you can enter a number here from 0 to 100. Let's enter 25, for example. You can click on Reset to reset the effect. And now go to the Home tab and click on New Slide and add new slides. Then go back to the first slide and click Apply to All to apply the background to all slides. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.